They say success is where hard work meets opportunity. Work hard in silence and let success be your noise. Be the hardest working person you know. But it's been our experience that quotes about working harder won't really work unless you do. So we let our work do the talking. We choose to be the toughest workers on the job, the gold standard of customer service, the smoothest operators in the warehouse, the longest lasting rides on the fairway, and the most sustainable vehicles in the industry. Made to meet your exacting standards, and then some. Built for never settlers, sleeve roller uppers, and nothing less than besters. Those who go the extra mile, and then go 50 more. We don't need the motivational quotes, because we'll never be out-hustled. We'll never be out-innovated. We'll never be outlasted. And we'll never be outworked.